Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see who is connected to your TP Link Deco network. What you need is open TP Link Deco application on your smartphone and stay on the network tab. Now you can see two tiles on the screen. The first one is your network configuration and the second one is online clients. If you tap on online clients, you can see the list of devices connected to the world Wi-Fi network, to all Deco units in your mesh system. If you go back and tap on network configuration, you can see the list of devices connected to each Deco unit separately. So you can tap on the unit's name and then tap on any device and adjust some settings. You can prioritize this device in your network, set it up as a family member, set up connection preferences, for example, prefer 5 GHz band always if it's possible. Also you can disable mesh technology for this device, which means it will not be connected automatically to another Deco units, or block this user. Tap on block, confirm your action. Then you can find blocked users in the More tab. You can see block list over here. Here's your list of your blocked users. You can unblock this device from here, and that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.